I'm Carolina, and I'm a reporter for a day. Earthquake, Chile. 27th February of 2010 at 3:34 a.m. local time. It was a strong earthquake, 8.8 magnitude, and more than 300 people were dead. It was the second biggest earthquake in Chile's history. Most of the country was devastated by the earthquake. Some countries already started sending some donations: food, clothes, water, and medicine. Now let's see some images caused by the earthquake. Here's one of the buildings that has been collapsed. As you can see, this man is looking at his house destroyed. This young lady and her two daughters are here looking for their family members. This is one of the main bridges that has fell on top of cars and people. Here are some figures about the damage caused by the earthquake in Chile. Now let's see some beautiful pictures of Chile before the devastating earthquake.